What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Just did a whole bunch of yard work. Kind of cleaned back there, so mowed that a little bit. But did the front yard, so everything's clean. I just took a shower, waiting for my hair to dry. But yeah, the front yard came out pretty good. It's just, my grass is dead, the gophers are bad. I mean, you can see. Oh yeah. So this guy really wants to go somewhere. Come on, back inside. Inside, come on. But yeah, so come on, inside. In. Come on, inside. Pee-wee, in. Come on, buddy. Inside, come on. Inside. So, yeah, I was trying to go to Stockton today to meet up with Skis because he got his scooter running perfectly. So I wanted to go ride with him and go chill with with the homies. But because I got caught up in doing yard work, and when I get into the zone and I start cleaning and stuff, I just keep going. And now it's just way too late because I gotta cook dinner still. I gotta prep my food for this weekend for work because tomorrow is my work day. And yeah, so I'm going to actually head over to Walmart because Walmart's my pharmacy. I got to go pick up my medicine. So I figured we'll do a riding vlog. So I'm going to try this out, see if it works. I got the mount for my roll cage in the car, or my harness bar. Place it on here. This is usually where my phone would go, but I'm going to see if this GoPro, if it's going to work. So we'll test it out. If anything, I have to set it up, the GoPro on my helmet, which I have the 3M to do it, but I don't know exactly the correct spot to mount it because I have a banded helmet. So my whole face comes up, which actually looks like this. So that's how it works. I wanted this helmet just because like I said, I'm diabetic. If anything happens, I can drink some, soda or pop a sugar pill so my sugar level goes right back up because I have the issue of my sugar dropping. And then I start getting the shakes and don't want that happen when I'm riding. So I got to make sure I'm okay. And then, yeah, so gonna get all my gear on and then we'll head out to go get my medicine and check how this GoPro works because I know eventually I am going to be investing into a GoPro 9, the whole vlog set, and I know it has that stabilizer in there, so hopefully that works. But I want to test drive the scooter because I haven't rode it in 2 months, so I need to make sure everything is going good with it. I know it might be idling a little high, so I do need to adjust that, but let's go for a ride. Alright, because the footage is bad, I'll just do a voiceover. The scooter's riding really, really good. I kind of just dipping to just check it out with the balance with the tires because I just put the pressure to 45 and it's just running smooth. It's picking up a lot of speed. I didn't footage coming back, but I was actually passing people with the scooter and having to lane split to get by because people are actually going slower than the speed limit. And this street is 40, and I would just jump quick to 40 right away. So I need to adjust that idle. It's just revving so high. But yeah, so when I get here, basically I leave the lane alone. I just stay behind the left side of the driver so he can see me in his side mirror. This guy, I don't know what the hell, he just stopped in the middle of the road, so I went around him. I was being safe. And then I noticed when I come around this corner, there are people coming out of the grocery store pushing carts, so I just stop and, yield to them. But the vibration of the GoPro, I'm just not happy with how it is. And it is an old GoPro. It's a GoPro 3 Plus LCD. So, I mean, it's great for, just vlogging and everything, but the shakiness you can see from the idle. It doesn't work. If I had it on my helmet, I think it would be even better. So I have the mount, I just got to put it on the helmet and I should be fine. But I'm going to do the pull up for the medicine call. You just call the pharmacy and they'll bring it out to you. But there's the SUV parked right here. This guy was really nice. He asked me so many questions about the scooter and basically told him everything. Alright, so I'm home. Footage is garbage. So that sucked. But just try to chop with whatever was good and save what I can. Scooter's running great. Not an issue whatsoever, except for it is idling high. So when I'm at the light at a stop sign, it wants to go. So I would have to hit the off switch. And so I'll be on and then I hit the switch and then let it die out. And then once I know it's about to go again, then we'll fire it back up. Actually, I don't want to leave the key in there. But yeah, so scooter's running excellent. I still need to put the registration tag on. But other than that, it's fine. Gonna barbecue and gotta make some rice. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I really don't have anything to do until I can go to the Maniac garage and use the drill press and have this done. So I can already put this in the Civic. So I have my tow hook for the Time Attack. So this mount, it's no good for the scooter. It comes loose. It's no good. Like it fit this fine and everything here, but this part would come loose and then the adjustment here would, start coming just way too loose. It wasn't good. So that's something that this will be good for when I get the Civic complete and I hit the Time Attack track and start running, and I can get the footage on the GoPro through the mount, because then that's fine. But like I said, I was just going through the GoPro watching the footage and I'm just like, it sounds so terrible. It's just, like I said, I'm not happy with it. So I'm just going to cut I'm pretty sure you'll see it in the video. I cut here, fast forward here. I do listen to music when I'm playing, so I use my little portable speaker. I just clip it onto my bag. And then I just play music while I ride. So it was cool. You get a lot of people asking questions like, where can I get one of these? And it's funny because they think it's new. And I'm like, no, this is a 1987. I said, they don't make this no more. So they're old. And like one guy, when I was picking up the medicine, he was asking me a whole bunch of questions. That's pretty cool. Told him about it. He's like, is there any cheaper ones? And I was like, they're expensive now. The prices are going up on these. Like, I'll see these online and you'll find a beat up one for like $1,500 or less. And then for a really good one that's, paint's still good, everything is reliable and everything's there, dude, they'll want like $3,500 for these. So scooters are expensive because of the whole coronavirus. People are trying to find, outdoor stuff to do around town where I live in the Bay. So a lot of people go kayaking. That prices on kayaks went up. So a lot of park stuff, hiking, camel pouches, prices are going up, hiking shoes, running shoes. People are getting healthy. And that's one thing that helped out a lot is because I lost 60 pounds, I'm actually able to go so much faster than that now. So it's pretty cool. That's why you see in the video I'm going like this. I'm doing little dips. It's a major difference from being that much weight loss. So it helped out a lot. But yeah, so like I said, I've been hella lagging. I really need to set all these parts up, clean them, picture them, bag them, box them, and get them prepped for eBay, because these are all my Honda Elite parts that I have. This is actually for the Time Attack Civic. So I will be eventually running supercharged with nitrous. So then also when I'm on the street, I can do a little fun stuff with other people that want to meet up and run me on the light. But yeah, so pretty much, I wish I had better footage. I wish this video would have been good. So hopefully it's not too boring. I apologize. But for real, guys, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Once we get it, the steering wheel is going to a new home. So there will be a giveaway. So like I said, if you guys watch till the end and you guys see this, the way to win this, actually, I will be telling you guys to put in the comments four emojis that I pick in one of my videos. Those comments that have those 4 emojis only will be chosen for the winner. So that's the trick. So if you're not paying attention to my videos or watching to anywhere inside the video where I give you the clue, you will not win the steering wheel. So only my true people will have the chance to win the steering wheel. But also, like, I'll probably most likely get another steering wheel too and do another giveaway. Like I said, I still want to constantly keep helping out my community and showing love to everybody on YouTube, because we all deserve to win. So there you go. So yeah, like I said, don't get me wrong, I'll probably buy another one of these because I freaking love this. Freaking love this one. It feels so good. It is so nice, and I love the style here. It has like that Narnia style, and the horn, like, you can just change this out and put the racing style horn. I mean, so like I said, this is somebody's steering wheel. You do what you want to do to it, but boy, it feels really good. I would like wear gloves if I were whoever wins this. Like, wear gloves. It's super clean. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and get yourself a steering wheel. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. And if you like the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share on Facebook.